All right, today's Tuesday, April 9th, 2024. 8 days this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the 12th, 13th, and 14th. So I don't know if I'd say so much as I'm ready to go, except for I'm basically out of time. It's looking pretty good. I got all the interior back in. A few little details that I didn't get to, but I'll address some stuff when I get back. I'll do mileage check here. There we go, 1,029,441. So it's roughly 1,600 mile trip each direction, and then a little bit of driving to and from the show, obviously, when I get up there. So probably about 3,300 mile trip, give or take. So it looks more like I'm moving rather than going to a car show, but got cooler for drinks and an easel for my car show board. The car show board is behind the driver's seat here. A couple chairs for my friends, a little table, fold-up table. I have some cleaning supplies, obviously. I got a canopy, some basic tools and stuff. Hopefully don't need those. But everything turned out pretty well. Pretty happy with it. This door over here gave me some trouble. I mean, stuff that wasn't even really a problem before. My door latch was messed up, and this is the salvage car door, so luckily I had saved all the guts from the original door, so I was able to put that in there. So I've got a wrap for the intake to cover all that ugly gold tape, but just didn't get time to put it on there, so I'll see if I can throw it on when I'm up there. So I was able to get that sticker from Rock Auto. That's the original Honda sticker. This is a recreation. I had to look for a picture online, and I measured the emission sticker on my 9th gen, and I guess they must have made them smaller because I told the place the dimensions for this. It was carstickers.com. Really reasonable. I had a couple of these made just in case one went bad. It was like $15. So I was able to find a picture of a good sticker online and send it to them and told them the dimensions of it and stuff. So I thought it turned out pretty well for just a few bucks. So if you have problems trying to find some stuff for older cars, if you can find pictures, you can get some of these places, or even some of the sign places can recreate stuff like that for you. So I was pretty happy with the way that turned out. So intake looks like absolute crap. I was upset at this. It really fish-eyed bad when I put that blue on there. I tried putting the silver base coat back over the top of it, so I'll just have to address that when I get home. So I'm pretty embarrassed of that, but I'm just out of time. So I'll clean the engine bay more when I'm up there. This looked like crap, and so I got a wire loom for that, so that turned out all right. So the headlights got a couple coats of clear coat put on them, and then also when the ceramic guy did the ceramic, he put a coat on there as well. So we'll see how that holds up. Yeah, overall looking pretty nice. Not perfect, but it looks pretty nice. Still looking for a few last details to kind of finish it off. I'm going to go ahead and try to get a new shift knob. It's on back order right now, so their list is discontinued, so I'll just have to keep watching for that. You know, last couple years stuff's been hard to find, and for a while everyone was using the excuse of COVID and everything, but we're kind of past that now and stuff, and I think I'm just into the point where I've got a 21-year-old car now, and stuff's just getting hard to find for it. So that console armrest looked good. That was from Amazon. So yeah, there's the rest of the stuff in here. All right, and I've also got a quick little walk around of when I got the car back from ceramic. I did a little couple-minute walk around of that, so I'll tag that on here as well. So hopefully have a safe trip up to Maryland. Looking forward to a really good time, seeing a bunch of friends up there and stuff, hanging out for the weekend, and then hopefully a safe trip back home as well. So I'll try to take a bunch of pictures and video when I'm up there and put something together and post that as well. So, all right, as always, thanks for watching, supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Take care. So here's the ceramic, just picked it up from the shop. This is System X ceramic, 10-year warranty. The guy did all the windows, the wheel faces, headlights, I'll have to clean the inside barrel part of the wheels, but the outside looks great. Stop by a restaurant. We got the 9th gen playing defense here. Make sure I don't get any door dings on it. Alright, so now I gotta get the interior put back in there, carpet, seats and everything, and get it to the show. We'll see you H-Day soon.